go, 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 go.
You tied my laces, one loop, then two. Laughed when I fell, then carried me through. The scent of sawdust, your calloused hands taught me to build without demands. Now I watch small fingers reach for mine. He stumbles forward, same crooked line. The echoes linger in the quiet hall. Your voice still answers when I call. And I didn't know then what I was holding. A weightless gift, unspoken, golden. Love isn't loud, it's passed down slow through things we do, not things we show. In bedtime songs, in broken toys, in whispered pride, in silent joys, and I carry it now without a sound. This love you gave, so safe, so round. You never said much, but you were there, in coffee steam and the kitchen chair. You fixed my bike, then stood aside, let me fall just enough to find my stride. And I see it now in a smaller face. The same wild grin, the same quiet grace. Love doesn't shout, it settles in through scraped up knees and crooked grins, in Sunday walks, in waiting late, in letting go, yet holding faith. I pass it on like you showed me how. This quiet truth we're sharing now. Time doesn't ask for grand displays, it just remembers softest ways. The pat on back, the patient breath, the things that echo after death. Love isn't new, it's always been in worn out shoes and stubborn skin. It bends, not breaks, it speaks then fades, but leaves behind the light it made. And I walk with it in every vow. This sacred thread you wove somehow. Now I become the one you were, and in my arms I see the blur of everything you used to be, alive again inside of me. So I pass it on with trembling hands. The love we built still gently stands. Streetlights flicker softly down the lane. I pass a corner cafe, your smile in my brain. Leaves are drifting slowly, caught in gentle streams, and I can't help but linger in these little scenes. A distant laugh, a dog chasing a ball, the hum of tires, the city's quiet call. Every little moment whispers something true, and in my heart I always find a trace of you. And I wonder if you see it too, these tiny worlds that feel brand new. On my way back home, I see your light shining through the windows in the night. Simple sights, but they feel so right. Every step reminds me of you tonight. The park bench waits, a couple sharing tea. A paper boat floats down like it's meant to be. Street musicians play a soft familiar tune, and in my chest my heart begins to swoon. Every shadow, every glow carry secrets that we know. On my way back home, your laugh remains in the gentle drizzle, in the soft refrains. Little things that color all my days. Every street, every corner calls your name. I could walk 1,000 nights, never tire. Every step I take fuels this quiet fire. Though the world moves on, I hold this view. The simplest scenes are the ones that bring me to you. On my way back home, the city sighs in the amber glow of fading skies. Little wonders catch my wandering eyes, and in them all your memory lies. On my way back home, I feel you near. In the quiet moments, your voice is clear. Every little scene becomes sincere, and in the evening breeze you reappear.
Go.